Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses portions of north central Texas, most of Oklahoma, far northwestern Arkansas, central and eastern Kansas, the northwestern half of Missouri, west central and northwestern Illinois, southwestern Wisconsin, most of Iowa, and the eastern half of Nebraska. Cities in tomorrow's slate include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Omaha, Nebraska. There's a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses central and northeastern Texas, western and southeastern Oklahoma, the northwestern half of Arkansas, the southeastern half of Missouri, a tiny part of southwestern Kentucky, most of Illinois, far western Indiana, far southwestern Michigan, southern Wisconsin, far southeastern Minnesota, far northern Iowa, far southeastern South Dakota, central Nebraska, and western Kansas. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, St. Louis, Missouri, Madison, Wisconsin, and Little Rock, Arkansas. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow. That encompasses a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow. That encompasses far north central Texas, central and northeastern Oklahoma, far northwestern corner of Arkansas, west central and southwestern Missouri, and southeastern Kansas. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Overland Park, Kansas, and Olathe or Olathe, Kansas, however the hell you pronounce it. So, anyway, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses north central Texas, western and southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, much of Missouri, west central Illinois, far southeastern or far southern Iowa, extreme southeastern Nebraska, and central and northeastern Kansas. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Kansas City, Missouri, Arlington, Texas, and Plano, Texas. Going to tomorrow's wind threat, there is a 15% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses north central Texas, most of Oklahoma, far northwestern Arkansas, central and eastern Kansas, the northwestern half of Missouri, west central Illinois, most of Iowa, and the eastern half of Nebraska. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Omaha, Nebraska. And there is a 5% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses central and northeastern Texas, western and southeastern Oklahoma, the northwestern half of Arkansas, the southeastern half of Missouri, a tiny part of southwestern Kentucky, most of Illinois, southwestern Wisconsin, northern and northeastern Iowa, far south central Minnesota, far southeastern South Dakota, central Nebraska, and western Kansas. Cities in the 5% wind risk area tomorrow include St. Louis, Missouri, Little Rock, Arkansas, Aurora, Illinois, Rockford, Illinois, and Joliet, Illinois. Going to tomorrow's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that encompasses north central Texas, central and northeastern Oklahoma, extreme northwestern corner of Arkansas, central and eastern Kansas, the northwestern half of Missouri, west central and northwestern Illinois, southwestern Wisconsin, most of Iowa, and eastern Nebraska. Cities in the 15% hail risk area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Wichita, Kansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area for tomorrow, don't know why it's update on me, but there is a black dashed area for tomorrow that encompasses north central Texas, central Oklahoma, the eastern half of Kansas, western Missouri, far western Missouri, southwestern Iowa, and southeastern Nebraska. The black dashed area is where we had the highest potential of seeing hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Cities in the black dashed area for tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Wichita, Kansas. Again, the black dashed area means there is a 10% chance of seeing hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. So, 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. So, if you look at anyway, moving forward, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses central and northeastern Texas, western and southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern and north central Arkansas, the southeastern half of Missouri, a tiny part of southwestern Kentucky, most of Illinois, western Indiana, far southwestern Michigan, southern Wisconsin, far southeastern Minnesota, far northern Iowa, far southeastern South Dakota, central Nebraska, and parts of western Kansas. Cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Arlington, Texas. So, going to the summary for tomorrow. Severe thunderstorms are possible late Tuesday afternoon across the central and southern plains, with the severe threat expected to spread eastward Tuesday night. Large to very large hail, severe gusts, and a few tornadoes are all possible. So, that's all I got for you today. So, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow as well. And I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.